Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about plums, whether they be fresh or dried, aka prunes. And I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to go well with plums, whether they're fresh or dried. Hopefully this will help you out if you're looking for some new recipe ideas. Plums, fresh or dried, are known to go well with allspice, bay leaf, cardamom, chili powder, cilantro, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, mint, nutmeg, parsley, pepper, sage, salt, star anise, and vanilla. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.